Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Blue Apron review. Is it worth it? Blue Apron is one of the most popular meal kit delivery services in the US, designed to make cooking simpler while still giving you fresh, high quality ingredients and chef crafted recipes. It's specially loved by busy professionals, small families, and anyone who wants to try new dishes without the hassle of meal planning. Each box includes pre portioned ingredients and easy to follow recipe cards. We're rotating weekly menus that cover everything from classic comfort food to wellness focused options. The biggest perks are its wide variety of 80 meals weekly, fresh ingredients, flexible plans, and even prepared meal options for when you don't feel like cooking. But it does come with drawbacks. Blue Apron is pricier than grocery shopping, creates packaging waste, and is only available in the US. Plus, portion size may feel small for bigger appetites, so is it worth it? If you want convenience, variety, and fresh recipes delivered to your door, absolutely. But if you're on a tight budget or dislike subscriptions, you may want to explore alternatives. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.